Good morning, sir. Myself Aisha Banu from Computer Science and Engineering Department. And today my topic is explain about chain growth and step growth polymerization. Let us see outline of the presentation. What is mean by polymerization? Addition polymerization with example. Mechanism of addition polymerization. Condensation polymerization with example. Let us see what is mean by polymerization. The chemical reaction in which large number of monomer units join together and form a polymer is called as polymerization. Depending on the type of mechanism, polymerization reactions are classified into three types: addition polymerization, condensation polymerization, coordination polymerization. Let us see about addition polymerization. It is also called as chain growth polymerization, the process in which polymers are formed by the addition of monomers without loss of any small molecules. Compound containing double bonds undergoes addition polymerization. Example: formation of polyethylene. Monomer is an ethylene. When ethylene undergoes addition polymerization, then the carbon double bond between the carbon undergoes two, two radicals and forms polyethylene. Second example is formation of polyvinyl chloride. Monomer is vinyl chloride. Third one is formation of polystyrene. Monomer is styrene. Addition polymerization is initiated by a free radical or cation or anion. The monomer containing double bonds generally undergoes polymerization. Molecular weight of the polymer is an integral multiple of monomer. Depending on the species it involves in initiation step. Further addition reaction is classified into three types: free radical polymerization, cationic polymerization, anionic polymerization. Mechanism of addition polymerization. Free radical mechanism. First one is initiation. The free radical adds to the monomeric unit to produce a chain initiation species. Here you can see the reaction of the initiation of alkanes. Next one is propagation. The radical sites of the chain initiation species attack the another double bond of a monomer molecule. It involves a series of successive addition of large number of monomers and give a large molecule. Here you can observe the reaction of propagation of an alkyne. Next, termination. This can be take place in two steps: coupling or combining the terminations and disproportionation termination. So these are the reactions of coupling and disproportional termination. Cationic mechanism. A chain reaction that creates polymers by using a cationic initiator to transfer charge to a monomer. Taking it reactive, the reactive monomer, then it reacts with another monomer to form a polymer. Initiation. This is the reaction of initiation and propagation and termination. Next, addition polymerization. It is similar to cationic polymerization, but in addition polymerization, removal of hydrogen take place. Condensation polymerization. The monomer should contain two functional groups that may be a same or different. That monomer combine together by stepwise process and form neither linear or cross-linked polymer along with byproducts. Example: COOH, CH2, CH2 and CO and OH. Here COOH and OH are the two functional groups, and it is a slow reaction. Products which are formed by the condensation polymerization are hard in nature and it is a non-recyclable. Molecular weight of the polymer is not is equals to molecular weight of the monomer into degree of polymerization. Let us see example. Nylon 6,6 monomer units: adiapic acid, tetraethylene dicarboxylic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Here you can observe the reaction of nylon 6,6. Finally, thank you sir for your great attention. presented by S. Aisha Banu from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Thank you.